Today I thought I would do a public service broadcast. So this is about the upcoming emergency alert on the 23rd of April 2023. So on the 23rd of April 2023, all mobile phones in Great Britain and Northern Ireland will make a noise like a siren and receive some kind of text, like testing emergency alert system or something like that. So I've got an article here which I'm just going to read a bit from. The Government Emergency Alert System upcoming test on Sunday the 23rd of April 2023. A new system that gives the government and emergency services the capability to send emergency alerts has been launched. The system is designed to bolster the UK's resilience and provides the capability to send alerts direct to mobile phones when there is a risk to life. A UK-wide alerts test will take place in the early evening of Sunday the 23rd of April 2023. The alert will say, "This is a test of emergency alerts," a new government service that will warn you if there's a life-threatening emergency nearby. In an actual emergency, follow the instructions in the alert to keep yourself and others safe. This is a test. You do not need to take any action. So this is going to work locally and nationally. If there's something you need to know, obviously like something that's going to affect the whole of the UK, like a war situation or something like that, every mobile phone in the UK will emit the emergency alert siren and give you text as to what is the problem and advice on what to do. If it's a local emergency, like flooding, every phone that is connected to certain cell phone towers will receive the alert. So this is dependent on location. It's not dependent on where you live. It's dependent on where you are at the time with your phone and which cell phone tower your phone is connected to. And this will override everything on your phone, apart from being switched off or being on mute. So it's just to warn you that on Sunday the 23rd of April in the evening, if your phone makes an emergency warning sound, it is only a test. Anyway, that's my first public service broadcast on this channel. Thank you for watching.